Hello friends, this is Node Chat application with MongoDB tutorial series. And in this part, we will learn how to insert register form data under MongoDB Database by using model. So when we have submit form data, then it will save that form data under MongoDB Database. In previous part, we have already made user model for MongoDB Database operation. And in that part, we have also covered how to validate register form data by using Jo library. So here, we have performed form data validation, and now we want to store into MongoDB Database. So we have goes to server.js file, and under this, we have goes to register routes. And under this else block of code, we will write insert data code. So here, first we want to extract form data from request body, so here, we have to write constant statement with open and close bracket, and between this, we have to write first name, last name, email, password is equal to request.body. So here, it will extract data from request body and store value under respective variable. After this, we want to store password in hash formatted string, so for this, we have to download Bcrypt library. So here, in terminal window, we have to run npm install Bcrypt library. So this command will download this Bcrypt library under this our Node application. Now we want to include Bcrypt library under this server file, so here, we have to write constant Bcrypt variable is equal to require function with Bcrypt library name, so it will add this library under server file. Now we want to convert simple string password to hash formatted string password. So here, we have to write constant hashed password variable is equal to await keyword with Bcrypt variable.hash function with 2 argument. In first argument, we have to write password variable, and in second argument, we have to write 10. And here 10 is the number of salt round. So this code will convert simple string format password to hash formatted password. Next we have to write new user object of user model, so here we have to write constant new user variable is equal to new user model object, and under this, we have to define data which we want to insert. So here, in first key, we have to write first name variable. In second key, we have to write last name variable. In third key, we have to write email variable. In fourth key, we have to write password, and in value, we have to write hashed password variable. In fifth key, we have to write image, and in value, we have to write request.file.file name. So here, this uploaded file name has been get from handle file upload middleware. In seventh key, we have to write status, and in value, we have to write logout. So here, we have to define required data under this user model object. Now we want to save user data into database, so for this, here we have to write await keyword with new user variable.save function, so it will save user data into MongoDB database. And after saving of data, it will send success message to user by using this code. So here, our code is ready. Now we want to check output in the browser, so we have goes to terminal window. And here, we have to write node server.js command, and it will start node development server. So friends, here in the browser, we can see that register form has been displayed on web page. And here, first want to check validation is working or not, so we have directly click on submit button. So here, on web page, we can see that validation error has been displayed on web page. So here form data validation is working properly, so we have one by one filled register form data. And after filling of data, now we have click on submit button. So after click on submit button, here we can see that success message has been displayed on web page. Now we have goes to MongoDB Cloud Database, and here we have click on browse link. So after click on browse link, here we can see that register user data has been inserted here. So in this part, we have covered how to insert register form data into MongoDB Cloud Database. And in next part, we will started creating login form for this chat application, so we will be meet in next part.